This video focuses on section 2, which is populating a unit page. There are 7 tasks to populating a unit page, which are outlined in this same document. You will notice that again, there is a video for each task and a step-by-step guide taking you through what's required in order to populate a unit page. It is advised that you start by populating unit pages related to any topics covered in Term 1. We don't have to populate every unit page for the whole year or the whole course, but it's best that we get Term 1 set up first so that we're ready to go when we come back in 2017. The other units we can work on throughout the year, ensuring that we stay ahead of time, obviously. You'll notice that when you go to a unit page for the first time, just like with a course page, there are a number of components on the page, but these components are empty. We need to populate these components with the right information. One of the most important components on the page is the course builder. Here is where you'll build up your course tasks. Most importantly are the formal assessment tasks. Daniel has outlined that one formal assessment task is required for Term 1, and that needs to be accompanied by a rubric which you will create within Schoolbox. The same rules apply for a unit page as they do for a course page. We want to populate our unit pages following the 7 steps as outlined in the guide to ensure that users have a predictable experience when looking at a unit page in each faculty within the school. Having said that, as we build up our unit pages with more and more content, you might like to customize your unit pages a little bit by adding some extra components underneath the components that already exist. If you are adding any new components throughout the year or throughout your unit of work, please add them underneath so that the layout of the template that we've provided isn't compromised. For those of you who are really keen to customize your Schoolbox pages, the class page is where you'll do most of this, and that's the space where you'll interact with your specific class without impacting on the whole cohort of kids that are studying your subject. It's important to remember that a great advantage of course pages and unit pages is that once we've set them up, we simply need to tweak and update them at the end of the semester or at the end of the year, rather than starting again from scratch at the end of each year. This means that our workload should lessen year in, year out, as we're simply doing minor changes to improve our courses and our units. The heavy lifting will be at the end of 2016 and starting in 2017, but after that it should get better and better.